Hi, and welcome back to our new section in which we're going to talk about how to map the property and about the equipment that you're going to need to be able to do this. So there is lots of different tools, but I'm going to show you the ones that I recommend. I also put together a list of materials that you're going to find in the resources. So I typically use a pencil or pen with an eraser and an A4 grid paper on the clipboard to record all my data on. Then we'll need a measuring tape. I do prefer the fiberglass over the metal one, as that one tended to rust in the past. Just always make sure that you're using the proper side of the tape. I like to have the pocket tape with me as well, because I can measure the small distances with that one as well. You can also use the electronic distance meter, the laser meter, which is very handy if you can afford it, especially for triangulations and long distances. Another good thing to have with you is a screwdriver, so you can anchor the tape measure into the ground. You should always carry a camera or phone with you as well, so you can document the site with lots of photographs. It's always surprising how short your memory can be when you're trying to visualize or remember the certain site of an element. I do tend to carry the iPad as well for this case, because the pictures are quite big on it, so that's very helpful. And finally, a compass, so you can establish the north point. I usually use the compass app in my phone, so I'm going to show you how to use this when we do the survey later on in this section. And if it gets a lot bigger and challenging, I would usually talk to the client and say that we will have to have the survey done professionally, as it's more complicated than I feel confident to take on. Alright, so these are the basic tools, and you will learn how to use them so you can do your surveys very easily, especially in the suburban or in-town properties. Now let's go to the next lesson, where we're gonna learn how to actually map out the property.